Hi guys, I just want to make a video because I actually battled to do this myself. First, if you want to find out who is subscribed to your channel, okay, you open YouTube, then you go to your channel, okay, then you say YouTube Studio, and this is what caught me. There's no community setting here, so you go to Creator Studio Classic. Tell YouTube the fortune if you want. Then it'll pop up this, and you say go to Legacy Classic. Okay. Then once you're there, you just go to Channel, and where's it? Not Channel. You go to Community. Sorry. And subscribers. There you can get a list of your subscribers, your most recent and most popular. And anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you came right. I know this basically took me a while to find myself. I want to give a shout out to this guy here, Betty TV. His video is outdated, so I've just made a newer version of it. This video is for 2020. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, you can see here's my YouTube channel. I play all sorts of games. And I'm getting better and better with the features. I'm going to get a green screen and all of that until, well, not until next one. Sorry, I'm so used to it from recorded videos. But again, I hope you found this video useful, and you people stay beautiful.